In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose a ClickUp plan. Let's start right inside your ClickUp workspace. Make sure you're in any list view. This can be any list of tasks or projects you're already working on. Being in list view isn't so much about the content of the list, but it's a good familiar place to begin and ensures you're inside the correct workspace before changing anything related to billing. Now, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. This is usually a small circle with either your initials or a picture. Your profile menu is where ClickUp keeps all your personal and workspace settings, including billing and upgrades. From the profile menu that opens, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage your account details. Think of this as your control center for everything related to your profile and workspace configuration. On the Settings page, look for the option labeled Upgrade and click on it. This is the gateway to all the paid plans ClickUp offers. If you don't see it right away, it's usually near your account or billing related sections. You'll now be taken to a page that displays 4 main options, several paid plans with different price points, plus an enterprise option. At this stage, don't rush your choice. These plans differ in features such as storage, automation limits, advanced permissions, and reporting tools. To really understand which plan fits you best, click on the link that says Compare All Features. This opens a detailed comparison table of what's included in each plan. Take a moment to look through what you actually need. For example, if you're part of a small team, you may care about collaboration features and guest access. If you're running a larger organization, advanced security, permissions, and custom roles might be more important. Focus on the features that directly support how you and your team work, rather than just picking based on price. Once you've reviewed the comparison and you're confident about which plan matches your needs, go back to the plan you want and click on Upgrade. This will bring you to a checkout page. On the checkout page, you'll see an order summary at the top, which confirms the plan and billing cycle you've selected. Below that, there are fields where you'll enter your payment card details and any required billing information. Take a moment to double check the plan name, the number of seats, and whether you've chosen monthly or yearly billing before you proceed. After everything is filled out and you're sure the details are correct, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Checkout Now. ClickUp will process your payment, and once it's complete, your workspace will be upgraded to the new plan with the features you selected. From there, you can immediately start exploring the additional tools and capabilities that come with your new ClickUp plan.